Nkosazana daughter, bra. Nkosazana daughter. So ngitshela ukuthi ubonela la wabuhle Billy Plant, that girl is so beautiful. Yo. Baba, bra. Oh, so I saw you, bra, on Big Brother season 5. Is in season 5? Yes, season 5. Yeah. Yeah. Hayi wena.
Ngicela ningishutheni man. Yona ithole kanjani?
Umthetho ovayile sibali.
Leyo sibali.
Sibizela.
Sesiyashuta.
Hey. And I saw you kule video le bokhona ila bekadabukela khona, I think dress or yini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what happened kulalanga vele?
Okulela kahle kahle kwakumele siperform for that day.
Oyila nisaja because I saw i-background yini benithanda ukujayivela la eclinic. Bena-advertiser ukugula. How many people saw you on that stage of Big Brother? How many people saw you on that stage with Nkosazana? How many people saw that music video of Master KG? Ungitshela ukuthi asukubonanga.